Vivo V27 Pro continues the legacy of the company's lightweight and stylish smartphones in the V series. Compared to the outgoing model, the Vivo V27 Pro has received upgrades in many areas. However, the core philosophy remains the same, a sleek and lightweight design that changes the color under light. The new V27 Pro gets a powerful SoC, curved edge AMOLED display, and more. Vivo V27 Pro design and display. Highlight feature of the Vivo V27 Pro is its design. The phone has a curved front and back that merges into the plastic frame to give it a premium look. The rear panel, much like its predecessor, has a Fluorite AG Glass which changes color from light to dark blue within a few seconds when UV light or sunlight hits it. Vivo calls this color Magic Blue. If you want something that does not change color but looks equally modern and classy, you might consider checking the Noble Black color. On the front, there is a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen offers good viewing angles and vivid colors even in the standard screen color mode. The screen is curved towards the edges, which helps offer a great viewing experience. Vivo V27 Pro specifications and software. The Vivo V27 Pro features a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC, which is manufactured on a 4nm process. The phone has up to 12 GB of physical RAM along with 8 GB of extended RAM. There is no micro SD card support. It packs a 4600 mAh battery with support for 66W fast charging. The Vivo V27 Pro has support for 7 5G bands in India. The phone also offers connectivity options such as 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Navic, and a USB Type-C port. Coming to the software, the Vivo V27 Pro runs the Android 13-based FunTouch OS 13 out of the box. You also get to create profiles for multiple users and guests, thus ensuring there is enough privacy. The custom skin supports Android's privacy indicators and highlights at the top right corner whenever an app or service is using the camera or microphone in the background. Vivo V27 Pro cameras. The Vivo V27 Pro has 3 camera sensors on the back. There is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766V primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. For selfies, there is a 50-megapixel front camera with autofocus. Starting with the primary camera, photos shot in daylight offer good details and contrast. The colors are a tad bit saturated, but if prefer such a palette, then you will like the vibrancy. The rear camera also does a good job of maintaining the skin tone while capturing human subjects, although there is a bit of beautification happening despite disabling all possible filters.